artists, and the law is to protect the artist.
We didn't have that leverage. We didn't have that knowledge. We didn't have that control in the 80s. And so
to be held to a contract from 1985 and 40 years later, it's like ridiculous.
So obviously it's something they want to keep it, they want to hold on to it, and they're trying to fight us. So obviously they understand what's the worth of that.
Why isn't DJ Spinderella part of this suit?
Well, when we first started Salt-N-Pepa, it was just the two of us. So this particular contract is about the beginning, the first time we signed. So yeah, but Spinderella is still down with us.
She supports us. She just understands she wasn't a part of the lawsuit, but she has given us our support, you know, to fight for that.
Just being women in this industry, you know, it's a constant fight. A fight to be heard, a fight to be respected.
You only live once and you're not